Just 3 days ago, this was impossible. Unheard of, a pipe dream, but my genius coder and I have achieved the unthinkable. We've developed a cloud-based one-click app that turns out autonomous smart pages, as we call them, and think along the lines of Tesla and smart cars here, that can not only suck in 5 times your average daily Warrior Plus, ClickBank, and JVZoo affiliate commissions, but do it with endless built-in autopilot traffic. That's right, our new app does not stop at generating instant, unique, done-for-you cash siphoning smart pages, which, by the way, are our proprietary high-tech version of the classic affiliate bonus page, the kind used daily by top gurus to suck in up to 50 grand or more per month. It also funnels daily autopilot clicks and visits to your pages 24/7 like a tireless robot to guarantee you traffic and commissions on literal cruise control. Commissions like these pulled from my own affiliate accounts, deposits of up to $6,187 in a single week, up to $943 in a single day here on Warrior Plus, up to $582 per week in my bonus money ClickBank accounts, and I have 5 ClickBank accounts like this. And then here's another over $10,000 in well under a month, again from Warrior Plus, and the list goes on, and now it's your turn to do the same. Introducing Stacker. Now, in a nutshell, Stacker is the world's first ever app to generate what we call smart pages. And as mentioned, smart pages are our exclusive high-tech version of the classic affiliate bonus page, the kind used by top affiliates to crush the competition and make 4 to 5 figures in income every month online like clockwork. Now, Stacker lets you click through and easily choose from literally billions of instant smart pages, over 200 billion to be more precise, each fully complete with built-in bonus products that will put your visitors in a buying frenzy that you can use to make money with virtually any online affiliate offer or product that you can imagine. And to virtually guarantee your online success, Stacker sends true autopilot traffic to your smart pages 24/7, traffic that is never ending and non-stop for as long as you're active. Now, if you want to make money like the big dogs, then you do what they do, and that means using our smart pages to turn mere clicks into cold, hard cash. And rest assured, Stacker is literally as newbie friendly as any online income app gets. If you have zero experience making money online, you're still the perfect fit. But getting started with Stacker is as easy as pie. You're just 3 fast steps to stacking clicks and commissions on autopilot. Step number 1, grab the Stacker app before our price automatically goes up. Step number 2, log in and click the Stack It button to browse and choose from literally endless Stacker one-click DFY Smart Pages. And then step number 3, activate our built-in traffic to stack up unlimited daily free clicks and commissions from $20 to $477 a pop on literal autopilot. It doesn't get any easier than that. Now, you're probably anticipating that you're going to have to shell out big bucks for the Stacker app. And indeed, it'd be extremely easy and lucrative for us to offer Stacker as an exclusive, for example, high-ticket $2,000 webinar offer. After all, nobody else on the planet offers anything remotely similar to Stacker, a holy grail app, so to speak, that lets you pick and choose from over 200 billion money-making smart pages, custom or done for you, generated in one click, and then sends traffic on cruise control to your pages for you. Now, needless to say, this is a total game changer. And all told, you're actually getting instant access to an estimated $9,473 in digital merchandise, including the Stacker app, smart pages, true autopilot traffic, and more. But because right now is our official holiday launch and the season of giving, we're offering you the Stacker app for a very small one-time fee, while essentially gifting the bulk of what we could have charged to you, with 2 simple order options to choose from below, which you'll see when you click the Add to Cart button, right below this video. But fair warning, our holiday launch discount price automatically goes up every 60 minutes. So to guarantee your copy of Stacker at the lowest price possible, you want to order before our clocks tick down to zero. But wait, as a special free bonus guaranteed only when you order right now, we'll also include a copy of another #1 best-selling income app created by our team called Shuffler. Now, Shuffler is the perfect sidekick to Stacker. What it does is let you pick and choose from over 52 billion viral email list building funnels, complete with profitable built-in ClickBank products that pay out anywhere from $10 on up to $500 or more a pop. So what I recommend is activating the Shuffler app to build yourself a profitable email list while stacking your affiliate income with Stacker. And that way you get the best of both worlds, affiliate commissions and list building. Now, if you already own Shuffler, not to worry, we'll grant you free access to an alternative handpicked bonus of equal value and income generating power. But again, to claim this special bonus, you must act now by clicking the big add to cart button below to order during our short holiday launch window and not a second after. Now, rest assured your order is completely risk-free and backed by our full 100% money-back guarantee. Not only that, we'll literally pay you $1,000 on the spot if the Stacker app doesn't do exactly what we've promised, meaning you literally have zero risk and countless thousands of dollars in income potential to gain beginning today. So once again, click the big add to cart button below this video to begin stacking your online income right now, today. Now, P.S. Why have we never seen an app that can do what Stacker does? Well, first off, we are the app team that invented website spinning technology, which involves automatically pulling elements from a huge database to generate endless, unique websites and web pages on the fly in just one click, all automatically. Website spinning is literally brand new for 2020 and is hands down the fastest, easiest, and most newbie-friendly way to create squeeze pages, web funnels, and now our smart pages. And we've applied our spin technology to the Stacker app to create a virtual inventory of literally over 200 billion smart pages, as mentioned. And secondly, we're the world's only known app team to have developed an ingenious way to deliver true autopilot traffic to our app users. We're literally delivering hundreds of thousands of free clicks each month to our users across our affiliate marketing apps. And not only that, we keep building on our autopilot traffic technology so that each app we release is better than the last. So assuming you choose our Stacker Pro option, ordering option, which includes the autopilot traffic, get ready for an influx of autopilot traffic like no other app we've ever released. Now, Stacker is simply an awesome app, and we couldn't be more excited to bring it to you and just in time for Christmas and New Year's to boot. So click the big add to cart button below once again, right below this video, to grab the Stacker app on holiday discount at our lowest price ever. And we look forward to seeing you inside shortly. Happy holidays and Happy New Year from myself and the Stacker team.